we're making today.
We're making a slime video with slime, and these are all mixers. We're gonna make slime.
Yep, we're gonna make slime. And so, let's see, let's get the glue and everything we need. This glue. Let's get it over here, right?
Wait, use that.
We haven't
I
made that yet.
want clear glue.
No clear glue.
Just shaving.
Okay, so first we're gonna pour our glue in.
Are we making it for you or us?
You guys, stop. We don't need it yet. Okay. Glue. So we're just making a tiny batch.
Mix it up.
Okay.
Mix it up.
You guys are adding your stuff. So Ryder, add as much shaving cream as you want. You don't have to add a lot. You don't have
Is it open?
Tilt it up. Yeah. Oh my. Okay.
I like it.
I only put a little bit because it turns out better.
Woohoo!
That's good. Okay. So ours are all going to be very different.
Because Ryder's, mine's like medium. This is like large and yours is small, right? A little bit more than me, but not me, so.
Ryder's is going to be way bigger than ours.
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure
I
you
need
get
more
the glue
shaving
at the bottom.
cream.
No, you don't, Beckett.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
100 squirts.
Okay. So we have added our shaving cream.
How do you mix this stuff? You just mix it.
Now that we've added our shaving cream,
Just
let's add a little bit of cornstarch. We're just kind of going to add anything in that's over there. Because I have like a whole slime bucket back there.
see, look, here it is. See, it's not full of them. Here you can make slime. Mix up the cornstarch. Does it have bacteria?
No. So we've added glue, shaving cream, and cornstarch so far.
What is up with my mixing?
I'm going to add some baby oil.
What is up with my...
Hold the bowl still. The container.
Mine is
Okay,
so
we've
wet.
added baby oil because I added baby oil. Goofball.
It's sticky.
Because we haven't activated it.
What does shaving...
This lotion is not working with me here. Could open the whole thing.
It's still not working with you.
Come on, your lotion. Okay, mix that up.
She is one big fan of slime. She likes it.
Okay. Mix the lotion. And then, let's see, what else do I have? I have this, whatever this is. I don't really know what it is. But we're going to use it, whatever it is. It's some kind of like shampoo or something. To get the last few drops right here. I don't know what it is, but we're putting it in there. It says Mythic Oil. Don't know.
Baby oil? Is
No.
it oil? The same thing?
No,
What? That turned out good.
I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna add throwing hand soap if you want some. Do you want some?
Yeah.
Do you want some?
Yeah.
How many pumps?
3. Can I play 2?
No, you don't need 3.
Yeah, because mine's big. Like this.
Okay. Mix that in there, good?
Woohoo.
We're randomly adding things.
This is actually not going so good.
Let's add some water. Do you want to?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll ruin it?
No. If you want. Don't put too much. Yeah, that's one. Are you putting anything you... She's putting everything that she has. Get this on the corners.
And you know what we're going to try?
What?
We are going to try. Okay, you can either have blue paint or eyeshadow.
Blue paint. Blue paint.
Okay. And I'm using the eyeshadow just to see how it works. This is my old thing, so don't worry. I do not use this.
I need more blue paint. Me too.
You don't.
Yeah, look.
Okay, Becca does. Right, are you?
I don't think eyeshadow will work so good.
Try it. Okay, that was a lot. Let me just show you before I mix it. So you kind of saw it. I hope, I think, I don't know. Hey, it worked.
Now it looks like blueberry pie.
It kind of worked.
Kind of, maybe.
It's cool because it has like
Little. You have the chew bumps, Spencer?
I should have.
It's like chew bumps. Very little chew bumps. I think we could use a little more.
Okay.
That looks like a smoothie.
So, is there anything you want to add more of?
Yes, yes.
What?
The little oil.
This? No, not that. This. And what do you want to add more of?
I want
Foaming soap?
to add more lotion because since I have a lot of shaving cream, I don't know if it's going to turn out so squishy or anything. So, I should need more of that. I just want mine to be bubbly.
Okay, mix that.
I need more.
Okay, we're done. Now we just have to add the Stay Flow.
Look at it. It just gets.
Whoa. Just keep mixing it.
Mine doesn't look like yours.
Yeah, yours is not coming together.
Ours looks all different. They all look. Whoa. Now it's working.
You put a lot of shaving cream.
Mine's too sticky.
You need to keep mixing.
That's better. It's getting stickier. Now my pencil is.
This is like perfect.
Mine might be a little messy. And mine is sticky. Look at it. Now, seriously.
It's jiggly.
Mine is totally not done mixing. Mine is so sticky. Not sticky. Look how sticky mine is. I just have to wipe it off. I thought shaving cream made it not sticky.
Rebecca, yours is really shaving creamy.
Mine was really blob.
Okay, here's yours, Beckett.
Now it's sticking all over me. Mine
Don't get it on your pants.
is one big blob. Mine is two.
Oh, right, or gosh.
Yeah. And it's so sticky. Mine is two. Look at me.
Don't let it drip. Okay, I think my brother's failed.
I'm dying.
Mine is perfect.
Mine is a big blob. We're done. Yeah. Bing, bing, bing. It's like a hammer. A sticky hammer. Mine is a blob. Mine's a blob.
Okay, let's see who makes the best poking noise. Okay, put it on the ground without your hands on it and without getting it on my carpet.
I can't get it. I can't get it off of me. Either.
Okay, let's poke Ryder's. Nothing. Shh.
I can't get
Mine
off.
pokes good.
Mine's a blob, so it
Well, Becca does a pretty good poker. Mine is best.
Mine's a blob, so it doesn't really do much. Mine's
Okay.
a blob. And a sticky
So
blob.
now I'm gonna. Okay, so
Okay.
this is Ryder's. It's like
Blob.
all shaving cream, and if you squeeze it, it'll like go through your hands. And so that is
Hey.
Ryder's nasty goop.
And here's my nasty goop.
Okay, let me see Beckett's.
That won't come off me.
It's my dog.
Oh, it's a bunch of room.
Okay, this one it's better than Ryder's.
A little bit. But
But if you squeeze it,
mine's a big blob. You can rip it.
it's
And I
nasty.
still have more stuff on me.
Nasty. And Ryder, move.
King blob.
You got it stuck to my phone.
Sorry, guys. My brother
Okay.
just got stuck to his room. My blob. You know, you're getting all.
Go let Blue out of the door.
Okay, go get.
Okay, and then here's mine.
Mine is just making you feel messy.
Stretch it.
Stretch
And poke it. And you squeeze it. It does not go through your hands. It's still the same. So comment down below whose slime you would want to have and keep.
And mine.
I think everyone is going to say mine.
No, mine. No, mine. No, pick mine, please. Please. Please.
Ryder, that's not going to work.
It's a blob, you see. Look, it's really useful. Squish your hands. I got it on my Squeeze. It gets all over it. And it
Okay,
gets
bye
all.
guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and vote for mine because mine is better.